back to my gateways. On the left side, you can see the names of the gateway, serial numbers if it's online or offline, the current firmware, the model, which location it's belonging to, CPU and memory. You can also set an extra field, send firmware, but I have normally disabled that. Now I go to a gateway, for example here in Van Bracht, this is my gateway at home. You can see all kind of information about that gateway, the location belonging, the performance, CPU, memory usage, the network interface. It has a SIM card in it and an Ethernet connection, and if I click on edit, I can set the priority of both. The LoRa network, but that is not changeable because it is pushed by WisDM to all of my gateways. Some system settings, if you want to change them, you can reset the local password. If necessary, you can add someone on the location, on the physical location, access to the gateway. And we have some performance statistics that you can see per gateway, and you can change here the time span if you want to. Yes, there it is. The channel usage, uplink traffic, downlink traffic, and other important information of your gateway. And furthermore, you can reboot your gateway remotely. Let's do that. My gateway is now rebooted. The message is sent to the gateway, and if you can see that the gateway is now offline. Let's refresh the overview. And I think the gateway should be back up online again. Should be online again. And let's do it. Yes, it's online. Another important feature of WisDM is that you can start remotely a log. Normally you have to have access to the gateway locally to see all log files, but you can start remotely a session for the log files. Of course you have to log in, and then you can see the complete log file as you see it normally when you have access to the gateway locally. Another important feature is the SSH terminal. It looks the same. WisDM is starting a SSH session to the gateway, and you can access a gateway via SSH to troubleshoot if you have more technical knowledge as I have. I can only work with web GUIs and not with SSH. And also you can also see the packet capture per gateway if you want to. For 1 minute, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I have some I have some sensors here at home, and if you click on a package that the gateway received, you can also see more technical information about that session. So very important to manage your network, to troubleshoot, to look at some sensor data, etc. So I think WisDM is a complete package cloud management system for your gateways. You can add more organizations and more locations. You can add members to it. So this is the end of my video. Thank you very much for showing.